All right, can you see my computer?
Yeah, I can see your screen now.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Um. Why user? Let me
Yeah.
see. User
So
data.
while the inputs are not the same, so while your user yeah is not equal to the var, so yeah the symbol for not equal, yeah your colon, very important.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. So you
Then
see it indented.
yeah.
Yeah. So ask the user to guess once more.
Okay.
Yep.
Now, if user data is equal to this print, but we're trying to hide the computer guess, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can hide it in the else, because else is where their guesses are not equal. So that
Okay.
means they still need to like guess a lot more.
Else. Okay. Yes. I think I should be able to run it now. I need to save. And I'll run it. Okay. Please enter guess number 4. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, cool. So I think we can just try to push this to GitHub.
Okay.
Okay.
How do we do that, man?
So could you sign in? Yeah, could you sign in to your GitHub account, like the website github.com?
Yeah. I think I still got it from yesterday. I'm still signed in.
Okay.
Yeah, sign in. Yeah.
All right, cool. So remember I asked you to define, yeah, to create a repository which you
Yeah.
named coding points. Yep. So can you
Coding
open
class.
it up, please?
Yeah. This is it right here.
Yeah. Yeah, click on it. Yeah. Okay. So you can read instructions. They said create a new repository. Okay, that's not what we are doing. Create an
Okay.
existing repository. Can you scroll down, please? Okay. Scroll down more. Oh, okay. So all these are just like guides in case you want to maybe push code to this repository. But that's what we want to do now. So what we want to do is copy this particular repository. It's empty right now because there's nothing inside it. So I want to copy this repository to your local computer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we can do that. So could you scroll up a bit? So yeah, you see the option of HTTPS SSH.
Right.
Yes, so we can copy the URL, the HTTPS github.com. Yeah, or you just click on those icon beside it, the copy icon beside it.
Okay.
Yes, exactly. Cool. Now, could you open your okay, open your Visual Studio Code. I think you can type in the terminal there. Let me see. Oh, okay. Okay, so they use, if you look up at the Python, yeah. No. In the command line, like down where you have the answers to your code running.
Right.
Yeah, so you can see Python, like move to the right. Nope, to the right, you're going to the left. Yep. So we want to add an extra shell to this Visual Studio Code. So let's click on the plus icon beside that.
Okay.
The drop down rather. The drop down. Yep. So click on Git Bash. Yes. Cool. Yeah. So all right. Cool. So remember when we talked about files and directories?
Yeah.
So we need to go to the location where this particular file is. So can you like find your way around it?
Okay. Um. No, let me see what's in this right here. Then
Yeah.
okay. And this document right here. Let me see what the file is first of
All right,
all.
that's fine.
I think I put it on my desktop. I don't know. Let me check.
Maybe documents.
DS practice. It's on my desktop. Yeah, it's in desktop. Yeah, that's why it wouldn't. I guess. The desktop right here. Okay, yeah.
I think we can CD into the desktop, yeah? Yeah, we can.
Huh. It needs me to locate the paths. So,
No, the desktop, the D is capital. Yeah.
oh,
Yeah. So it's just CD, no CD desktop, no slash in front.
okay. Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Okay.
Okay.
So I have VS.
Okay.
VS practice. Okay.
Mixing it up. CD.
Mm. The computer froze. Oh boy.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine.
Oh man, I need a new computer. This is becoming embarrassing.
It's fine.
All right.
So remember what we said the last time? No, please, no, no, no. That's not a command. So you do your CD. You know when I said you can use the tab key for auto completion in the
Yeah, I
terminal.
was trying to do it. It's not working.
All right, let's try that again. So what's the first command you type?
Hold on. So this is I'm trying to move into this directory CD practice
Mm-hmm.
VS practice.
Yeah. So CD.
That's- I want you. I'm typing it just now. Kind of like frozen or something. It's just crazy, man.
No, that's fine.
Come on. Gotta be kidding me. You think I should run it
So
again?
yeah, you can queue this terminal and let's have a new one. Okay, so yeah, let's CD into desktop. Okay. Now CD. Now you can use, okay, cool. Yeah, cool.
Okay.
All right, so let's ls and see if all we have is here. All right, cool. So let me, okay, let me, um, okay, no, let me not share my screen. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to, like I said, we want to get that empty repository on your local computer. All right. But
Yep.
when we copy, if we clone, okay, so we're going to clone that repository. They call it clone. So when we clone it, it appears on your computer as a folder.
Okay.
All right. So once we clone it, I will need you to move all these this particular folder, that's the VS practice folder. You need to
Yep.
move the folder into the new folder of your repository.
So how can I access my folder in my repository?
All right. So remember you copied a URL before, the HTTPS. I think you called it computer class.git.
Yep.
All right, cool. So now the first command is git clone. So
Git.
git, yep, git, the L, no space, please. There's a space there. Space. Now you can paste the URL here. Yes. Now press your enter key and let's see. Yeah, you can close this.
Okay.
Now let's go to the file explorer and see what happened. So like yeah, your file explorer here. So you can open up this folder in your file explorer. Let's look at it.
It's empty.
Exactly. But now go back to VX practice. You can see coding class appeared as a folder. So exactly what I said. The repository will appear on your local computer as a folder. So that means you can type in all your code or your files inside it. So what we'll do is we'll move all these Python files inside coding class. So if you can just move them quickly.
Okay, all of them.
Yes, please. I mean, you would want to push all your code to
It's
GitHub.
okay.
Yeah. So now, but ideally, the first thing you're supposed to do is to create a repository. You clone it to your system before you start writing your code.
And creating a repository is the one we just did with the coding class and clone it. So this
Exactly.
is the clone, Git clone, and
Yeah.
okay, and then we just is it real time? Like if I save into it, is it gonna appear in on the web page on Git
Yes.
on GitHub?
Yes. And you see that just now.
Uh,
Okay. Okay, I think I will send you a Git cheat sheet whereby they have all the commands written out. So whenever you want to maybe clone or push or pull or whatever, you can always go to your cheat sheet and take a look at it. And it's okay if you don't get the commands like on your first trial, because it took me a while before I became like very conversant with GitHub. I still like how to ask people. I still run into like GitHub issues. So it takes time for you to like learn all these commands, because I mean it's a lot already.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So let's do an ls. Let's run an ls now and see what exactly is happening inside the VS practice. So you see you have coding class there. So
Right.
what do you think we should do at this stage?
Moving to coding class.
Yeah, that's cool. So let's do an ls and let's see what's there.
Yeah. Yeah, I got all my codes inside.
Oh, now what we want to do is to answer your question.
Yeah.
If when you push your code, if it will appear on the web page.
Right.
All right. So what we can, so the next command is the git space add space dot.
Git base.
No,
Add.
git, no, like space bar. Yep, git add add dot
Git had dots.
space, the space before the dots. So let me explain what this command does quickly. So what
Okay.
it does is to add all the files to your repository. So it
Okay.
does that locally. And you can also specify the name of individual files. But if you don't want to specify individual file names, you just use the dots
Oh, okay. Okay.
to say
Just
like
picks from the
all the
actual
files.
file. Okay. Current
Mhm.
file.
All the files in this directory. I want to
Yeah.
add them to my local, to my Git history, something like that. So press
Right.
enter and let's see. Oh, nothing happens. So now let's run Git status. Let's see. Okay. So everything is green. So this shows you all the files which you want to push to your GitHub.
Yeah.
It's like all the green files. So now let's run git commit. So commit is like, okay, so the thing is, ideally, when you are working or collaborating with a fellow engineer, let's assume we are working on a project and you're
Yeah.
supposed to push code, I'm supposed to push code. So in your commit message, you highlight what exactly your code is doing.
Okay.
Now the command is git commit. Could you like scroll up and type it, let's say?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I was trying to write down
Yeah, it's
this.
cool.
So git commits.
Dash M space. So now you have to bring up a quotation mark, like those speech marks. Yeah, so you can type in a message here, just like a type in a Python string.
Okay. Okay. Push enter.
Yes, please.
So fatal. Fatal, unable to detect email address.
That's fine. That's fine. So just like the way Python error messages told us what to do,
Right.
same way GitHub error messages gives you an idea of what to do. So it's
Okay.
saying also identity unknown. So you need to identify who you are. And how do you do that? You see the run command, run git config dash dash global. So yeah, you can highlight from git config to user.email, and then you have to type in your personal email, like the email you used to sign up to GitHub. You replace
Right.
it with that you at example.com.
Okay. All right. Give me 1 second. Let me see which one I used. I think I used my Gmail. I may not
Yeah.
get it. Yeah, it was my Gmail.
Yeah, so the next command is the one of user.name. Yeah.
User.
I'll scroll down a bit. It's all there. Git config dash dash global. Yeah,
Oh, it gives you actually gives you the steps to follow. That's nice.
exactly.
Your name.
So your username, what username did you use to sign up? And your GitHub. No, no. You have to type the user.name. Then it's where your name is in quotation mark. You have to actually type your GitHub username.
Okay.
Yeah, so let's try running the git commits once more.
Um,
You did not. This is not everything. It's not complete. So remember, git commit dash m. Then your message is like a Python string.
Oh, I
Yeah.
got a message. Oh wow.
Mhm.
Okay. 61 insertion plus. Wow. Nice.
Cool. Making progress. Now the
Yeah.
final command is okay. How do I explain this? Okay. So there's something called remote origin in GitHub. So if you run the command git remote dash v, that tells you the name of your remote origin. V. Yeah, like V, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Enter. So you see it tells you origin and it gives you your git URL. Now sometimes some people may not want to push directly to the main branch. So if you run git branch, you'd see the name of the branch that you're on. So let's try that.
Okay. Git branch.
Yeah, git branch.
Any extension? No.
Now, so now it shows you that you are on the main branch.
Right.
But sometimes some people may not want to work directly with the main branch. So they create like another branch. They have to make a pull request to merge this other branch to the main branch. Now, for you to push to any particular branch, the command is git push, then your remote, the name of your remote origin, and then the name of the branch. So in your case, it's going to be git push origin main.
Oh. Okay. You said git push origin main.
Main. Yeah.
What is? I don't understand this.
Yeah. So
What is
what's
it? What
happening
is?
is you want to push what is on your local computer
Yeah.
to the remote, like the website,
Right.
github.com. And now your origin is this URL of codingclass.git.
Right.
So you're saying push whatever thing I have added from your git add. Okay. Push that to the origin that has this URL and the branch, which is called the main branch. If you created a branch called Henry or Dev, instead of main, what you have there will be Henry.
Oh, okay. So a branch is like a folder in Git.
We'll call it a folder, maybe a subfolder, really.
Subfolder. Okay.
Yeah, but it wouldn't be okay, so yeah, you'd actually see it on your GitHub that oh, you have two branches or three branches. So it's just like different versions of the work you're doing. So for example, let's assume on your main branch you have only three files, but maybe
Right.
on a development branch you have like four or five files. You'd see those differences when you push your code to whichever branch, they will appear on your actual Git website. So
Okay.
let's run this command and see what happens.
Okay. Oh, so I got a side there.
Okay, so I think you have to do this. So sign in with your browser.
She messaged me. She messaged me like at 7 o'clock. Another day. I didn't respond. I called 10.
Okay, so you need to go to your browser. Yeah.
And then 10 called me.
Okay.
He
Yeah,
was like,
authorize.
I'm thinking you didn't respond or nothing. But I was still at the daycare, so the daycare was still open when she took the test. Remember, I was there at 8:30. She texted me at like 7.
All right. Cool. So let's go to the website and see what happens.
Here's the app. It's the app that I got on my phone. You know, on all the tablets at the daycare. It's called regular app. So she messaged me
Oh,
the
wow.
daycare app. But like you can see the
Yeah.
like when I leave whoever like now,
Nice.
she messaged me right now. But yeah.
Okay, okay. Awesome. So if you want to say you got a repository and it's open source, you want me to learn from some of your codes, how do I get into your repository?
Okay. So there are two ways. You have to fork my repository. So you see the option like at the top right, pin on watch fork star. No, 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 no. Just bring your hands down a bit.
Okay.
Yeah, those, yeah, yeah. So you can't you have to like go to someone else's repository and you will see that option there. So when you fork that repository, you clone it on your system, then you work on it. I think everyone so yeah, some people add a contribution guide in their repository to show you how they want you to like how they want you to
Fuck
what's
the
the word now, to
repository.
collaborate or maybe make some edits to their code.
Okay.
Then when you clone it on your system, you do what you have to do. Then you don't push to the main branch. So you push to a separate branch and open a pull request.
A pull request.
Yes. So you see where you have code issues, pull requests, actions, projects.
Yeah.
Yeah. When we are doing CI/CD, that's when we will touch on pull requests
Okay.
and you see how they work and all of that.
Okay.
Did you just change it? 'Cause it's an app where we put all the documentation to the bottom.
Nice. We're going somewhere. I just need to get better on the codes and yeah,
Yeah.
definitely going somewhere. Yeah. Nice. Thank you. So,
Yeah.
like
So,
I follow some guys on Twitter, and they got
okay.
a lot of repositories. They be trying to, I mean, they want to share with you. Like, so if I want to go into it, all I got to do is just do that fork repository, and I should be able to get all the information and codes.
Yes.
Mostly, some of these things are classes, basically, and they just want you to learn from.
Yeah.
So this is the same way. Just go to the this option, and
Yeah.
okay. But when
We
I
have
do that,
uh-huh.
okay, does
Maybe
it
we
take me
can
to
try
like?
one now.